Welcome back, folks, to the WealthWise journey. Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. But wait, don't panic. We'll take it one step at a time. Firstly, let's answer the question, what is affiliate marketing? It's a clever way to earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. To start your affiliate marketing journey, you need to begin with step 1, choosing your niche. What interests you? Cooking, tech, maybe fitness. Choose a niche that aligns with your passions and audience. Step 2, research time. Scout for affiliate programs related to your niche. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are excellent places to start. Step 3, build your platform. Whether it's blogs, YouTube channels, or social media pages, create content that resonates. Next up, step 4. Engage with your audience. Conduct Q&A sessions, share helpful tips, and respond to comments. Building trust is crucial. Last but not least, step 5. Track and analyze your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics or the affiliate platform's metrics to understand what's working and what's not. That's a wrap for our beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Stay tuned for more WealthWise tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy marketing. Using our affiliate links doesn't cost you extra, but every time you make a purchase, a small commission goes towards supporting this channel. It's a fantastic way to show your support and help us create more valuable content. Thanks for being an awesome part of our journey. Check out those links and stay tuned for more amazing content. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.